Hello students, in last video we learned about wired computer networks. In that video we learned about twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. Today we learn about wireless computer networks. So the computer network that uses environment or air as a media through which information is transmitted without requiring any cable or wires or other electric conductors, rather by using electromagnetic waves like infrared, radio frequency, satellite are called wireless computer network. So in a network, if there is no cable or no wire or no electric conductors are included and transmission is going through by the environment or air, such kind of network is known as wireless computer network. So for example, if we connect all smartphones of your house and laptop through common Wi-Fi, then it is known as a wireless computer network. So when wireless area network can also be formed using wireless media such as satellite. So in our home, if all smartphones are connected through a common Wi-Fi network, such kind of network is known as wireless network, because there is no cable or no wire included in the network. Like in this diagram, we have a common Wi-Fi device and all laptops and smartphones or computer or any other gadgets or internet are connected through a Wi-Fi without any cable or wire. Such kind of network is known as wireless computer network. Most commonly used transmission media in wireless network. So to transmit the data, we use following transmission media in wireless network. First is microwave. So second radio wave and third is satellite. So first is our microwave. Microwave waves are high frequency waves that can be used to transmit data wirelessly over a long distance. So whenever we want to transmit the data over a long distance, that time we will use high frequency wave, which are also called as microwave waves. The microwave transmission consists of a transmission receiver and an atmosphere. So in this type of transmission there are two things: transmission receiver and the atmosphere. So microwave radiation can be used to transmit signal such as mobile phone calls. So generally in mobile phone calls we use microwave waves to transmit the data like audio, video or a voice. So mobile phone calls are used microwave transmission. Our second is radio waves. Radio waves are used to transmit television and radio programs. So whenever we pass the signal or transmit the signal by television or radio, then we will use radio waves. All radio today use continuous sine wave to transmit information like audio, video and data. Wi-Fi, that has become a common word today, also use radio wave to transmit data among the connected devices. So in previous environment we use radio waves in television and radio programs, but now today we are using these waves for the Wi-Fi to transmit the data among the connected device. So Wi-Fi is also example of our radio waves device. And third is satellite. Satellite communication is a special case of microwave relay system. Satellite communication use the synchronous satellite to relay the radio signal transmitted from the ground station. So most scientifics in research we use satellite communication to transmit the data synchronously. and this is used by the relay the radio signal transmitted from the ground station. And other important transmission is wirelessly is infrared, which are not used in today's environment, but previously in mobile devices or any other devices we use infrared waves to transmit the data, audio, video or data. So infrared communication media is used in previously types of transmission data. So today we learned about wireless computer network, and we learned where we can use our wireless communication network in our home, in our office, where all devices can be connected without wireless. So most commonly used transmission media in wireless networks are microwaves, radio waves and satellite. Microwave used in our mobile phone calls. Radio wave used previously in television and radio program, but in today's environment we use Wi-Fi as a radio waves to transmit the data. And